Dr. My dear student, today we shall continue with the chapter of 5, that is the Be Humble. In my last class, I already discussed about the different portion of the first portion about the Be Humble. Now today we discuss about the remaining portion from this chapter. So open your books, page number 22. That is the Satan tried to tame the comet of the same pin of the pride. That the Satan also they want to get the same pride. Those who fail to pray of this temptation and the God's favor and blessings. And those peoples are not get the blessings from the God what they need. They need what they want that they become the enemies of the God. And also they cause that they in the world they get the roots all the evils of the world. And injustice, anger, desire, revenge for the fruits of pride. And those are the peoples, they are not doing the good work or they not behave with the people properly. They in this life only, they will get humiliated by the others or they get the injustice. It definitely will happen with them. But those peoples always being the kind-hearted or they be humble, always they have to give respect to the others. Every time they will get the success in their lives and they get the lots of plenty of blessings from the God side. And also this calls the pain of the mystery of the others. A humble person always makes the fellow or the beings happy. And the humble person, he always want that not he only, beside him, those are the person of the heart, those are the person are in their surroundings. They also make themselves happy. And the process of the placing of the personality and the gains the good friend. And if in the better way that if you get the good friend in your lives, that and humble person are always good friend. He never hates anybody and treats everyone with the great loves and respect. And the humble person never hate to anyone. Always being loved and the humble with the each and every person. And they never get any pain in their life. They always bring the happiness. They got the lots of happiness in their life. And also God always kind to the humble. And God always give the kind-hearted and give the blessings to the kind or the be humble person. Once a rich man, now I tell you one story about it. Once a rich man lived in the style and luxury. A very rich people, a rich man, he living in a very luxurious life. Now he was very famous for the hosting the fetes and the pirates to which are all the greats are rich and the town were invited. Now one day in the famous hosting feast he want to conduct. And on that day, that those are the richest person or the rich person in the cities and town they are invited. But had the large number of servants also went upon him. And the many servants they are also busy to give them the respect or treat with them. They held him away. And the rich man enjoying the honor of the respect given to by the people. And rich man, those are rich man, he have to get this honor that everyone give the respect to him. But however, he didn't like the poor and treated very them unlikely. But he did not like the poor people and then treat them very badly with them. And he thought that became the all-powerful and forgot to God. He thought that he's become the only the powerful person. And he forgot about the God only who is the creator of ourselves. One day, a poor man came to his doorstep and begged to the first was for grace. And instead of giving him something, he ordered his servant to drive him away. One day, what happened? One poor man come into the door of the rich man their doorstep. But he asked something for some food items during the huge feast. But the king did not give anything. And without giving anything, he give the order to the servant to travel them away. The poor man begged some leftover crumbs and the rich man rudely turned him away and became the poor man became very sad. Now what happened? He asked some little bit amount of leftover food, but the rich person of this king, this man did not give anything to him. But on the life, God who know that when he got the punish on the life side. Now by chance, both of that one day, the rich man and the poor man, both of them being died on that night. They had to go out on the account of their art. Now they have to went to those are the gods of the day. And they ask that the poor man, he asked that poor man punished and the rich man and multiplied and sent them into the hell. Now God, he is a very rich man, but God sent him into the hell because he never did any good work in his lifetime. But those are the poor man, he became get place in the heaven because he always doing the good work. So from here, what things we understand that always whenever get the opportunity, so always be humble with the others. That it should be needed. If you not be humble with the others, if the God give the opportunity to you to do work, whatever you want to do, that help to others, help to the other person. But sometimes we forget, we thought that we are the mighty power. But we forget that about our God, that God only permission to us. But those are the things you can do here, you can earn, you can get, it's nothing. Only those are your behavior, whatever your behavior towards the peoples, God only notice these things. What type of work you did here in the earth surface as a human beings, those are how many people you have to help, or how many people have you talk, how you behave with the person, that God that notices all the things. And when everyone have to went into everyone wish that went into the heaven, but according to your work, it depends that your place will be shifted to the heaven or hell. So it's our request also, not for everyone in the world, it should be humble. Otherwise, we can suffer in our life in a difficult way. Okay? So these things and it given, and all the when we have to do the work properly, that is not the person that the downwards and it branches not stairs swiftly. A deep river flows silently, crying the paint and the clam surface, and they are immense stored, and the still waters give ran. Similarly, a person has anything in the plenty or should not, but his others there fell small. And when a person they have lots of many things or many, they become too much rich, but they did not care to the peoples. But it's absolutely wrong. Whatever you achieve here, whatever you gain here, that is nothing. But how much money you have, that is doesn't matter. That how much work you did, how you behave to the people, that one it will count when you have to went to the count of God. Okay, so I hope you have to understand this story. So next day we have to discuss about the question answers from here.